Datatronic 5 Starter Guide. In order to set the carousel, touch the black and grey icon at the top of the screen, located to the left-hand side of the time. Into the next page, 5 preset pages are shown with 4 assignable as per operator preference, and 1 as a default home page. Touch the icons at the bottom of the screen to select each page you wish to preload on the carousel. Press simultaneously to organize the order of the pages on the screen. In this example, Map, Linkage, Hydraulics and Isobus have been selected. Then press the Home or Return button and swipe between pages to view the desired information. Press the profile name in the top right-hand corner in order to select or create a new profile. Press the Add button in the bottom left-hand corner and respond No to the prompted question that appears. Next, rename the profile as the implement in use. All settings that are input into the current profile will be stored and be present after switching between profiles. For operators that like 2 different sets of settings for the same implement, set 2 profiles for the same implement but with operator A and B to distinguish between them. Into the next menu, to add a rear implement, in this case a combination drill, press the rear Add button and choose the connection type. Then input the implement working width, which in this case is 4 meters, and also adjust the work point length or drawbar length, which for this tool is just 1 meter. In order to set a work coverage trigger, press the direction of travel for coverage activation, which in this case if forward, and then input the trigger above. For a combi drill, this is usually linkage. Finally, it is possible to input cost figures for labor per hour and fuel per liter in for data usage in TaskDoc. Combination drill. First of all, engine load is selected, then the add icon of the next widget is touched, followed by the wheel slip icon. The next widget assigned is PTO speed, followed by liters of fuel per hour, followed by the headland management sequence, which uses 3 widget allocation slots. All of these widgets will be allocated to this profile and stored. In order to change the widget, long press the icon and then click the bin button to remove and reallocate a new widget. Finally, when all are set, a one-touch in the widget will also act as a quick jump menu. In this example, one touch of the wheel. In order to assign F functions to the multipad and basic joystick, if equipped, touch one of the 3 F icons on the home page. In the next menu, select the Add button and then assign the desired function. In this example, the Headland Management icon is pressed and the Headland Management 1 sequence is selected. This typically would be used as a start work sequence. Once this has been selected, return home. The steps can be repeated to assign the remaining functions. Again, a typical example is that F2 is assigned also with HMS, and in this scenario, HMS2, which would be a finish work sequence. For F3, which will be displayed on the basic joystick, again the process can be repeated. In this example, the final function chosen is the answer mobile phone icon. Additionally, these functions can also be readjusted through the functions page by pressing the 3 lines in the top right-hand corner. Select the joystick icon and navigate to the armrest control page. Select function F1, turn 2 or 3 and choose a different icon for the function you wish to change as demonstrated. In order to assign hydraulic functions to individual electric controls on the multifunction armrest, swipe through the carousel to reach the armrest control page. Please note that this will only be visible if it has been selected in the carousel. See how to set the carousel in another clip if unsure. Once at the armrest control page, select the electronic control you wish to assign, and then touch the hydraulic valve number or front hitch to set the control. In the example, Control 1 on the micro joystick is chosen and valve 01 is assigned. Please note that valves with F in front relate to front services, and those without are rear services. The process can be repeated as per in the clip, shown to assign the remaining valves to the remaining controls. Only electronic services can be assigned. Manual services cannot. Once the micro joystick has been assigned in the video, H1 on the basic joystick is then assigned. This example shows how a tractor equipped with front linkage can be assigned for joystick control. When returned to the home page, it is also possible to access the armrest control page through the three lines in the top right-hand corner and then selecting the joystick icon. As shown in the example, it is also possible to assign a valve to the external control found on the tractor mudguards.